Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. This week I want to talk to everybody about distemper. We are seeing distemper like we've never seen it before in El Paso. Distemper has always been a problem. We see it a couple of times a year. It comes and goes as far as little outbreaks, and it's extremely serious disease in that most patients do not survive distemper. A lot of times we see distemper in animals that have a decreased immune system. Maybe they recovered from parvo and so that stresses their immune system, or maybe they're in a shelter or they don't have any vaccines. It has become quite common, and just in the last 2 months we have diagnosed numerous cases of distemper like we've never seen before. I would say at least 12 to 15 cases. And it's very unfortunate because, as I mentioned, it is very contagious and it is deadly. There's no treatment for it, and the majority of the dogs suffer and die very badly. It starts usually as, it's a virus that's passed, and it starts usually as a respiratory disease. So you start to see a little eye discharge, a little nose discharge, some coughing, them not having any energy. Sometimes it can have intestinal signs such as diarrhea or vomiting, and it eventually can lead to twitches, seizures, and then death. So, as with everything that I talk about, it is extremely important to vaccinate, extremely important to watch out for any of those signs. When you get a new pet, keep it separate from your other pets until you do get it checked out by a vet and get it fully vaccinated and such, so that it may not be passing other, diseases on to your other pets. Vaccine is prevention. It's the part of the distemper parvo vaccine that every pet should get as a puppy several times throughout their beginning puppy ages, and then once a year after that. Because of the problems that we're seeing here in El Paso with such high numbers of parvo and distemper, we do not recommend vaccinating every 3 years. There is no 3-year distemper parvo vaccine. It is only licensed for every year. And some clinics choose to do it every 3 years because research has shown that the vaccine may give protection for longer than a year. However, our area is different, and the number of problems that we have here is escalating, and I feel that it's important to protect your pet every year. If you have any questions or any concerns, please bring your pet in, give us a call, and we're more than happy to take a look. We can test for distemper. It is more expensive than the parvo test, but it is important to know exactly what your pet has because, like I said, it will continue to worsen and later on affect them. I hope you have a great week, and give us a call if you have any questions. Bye-bye.